Hello all, hope you people are doing great and welcome to my channel as part of Microsoft SQL Server lessons. And I am Lokesh and I'm working as a software engineer in my technology stack SQL, Power BI and data science, and I am Microsoft certified professional on Power BI. So let's get started with today's session. So in today's session we will gonna discuss about set operators in SQL. If you missed my previous videos on aggregate functions and different datetime functions and another concepts and clauses, and please do watch my videos. And in today's session we're going to discuss set operators in detail. We have three kinds of different set operators, which are union, union all, and intersect. And so how to use all these concepts we will learn. Okay, once we open the Microsoft SQL Server Studio, it obviously points to the master database. So we need to change our own database in order to do all these kind of operations. Okay, so let's get started. And before going to start, a basic statement like what these set operators, what kind of operations that will these set operators can perform in SQL. So generally, if we want to combine the data between two tables having same schema and same data types, then we need to use these set operators: union, union all, or an intersect, depending on the business logics what we have. Okay, let's see in detail about these set operators. So as I mentioned, we have three set operators: union, union all, and intersect. But while using these set operators, you need to remember a few points. First one is you should have same schema for the tables, means same number of columns in the tables. If you want to apply these set operators between three tables or four tables in order to combine the rows, always remember in set operators we have to combine the rows between the tables. That is the main objective of this set operators. Okay, so first point is very clear, that is same number of columns in both tables. Okay, if you want to select by using select statement, you should select the required number of columns in both tables. Okay, means same number all the time. What is second requirement? You should have same data types for the tables. If you want to use this set operators between the tables, you need to have same kind of data types in order while using this union operator. We will see how these points will get clash if we use obviously in a different manner. Okay, and third important point is set operators use it to combine the data among the tables. If you use two tables, three tables, or n number of tables, these set operators will perform just combining the data at the row level. Just remember that point. Because we have joins, those will do column level operation, column level combinations. But here the set operators will always perform row level operations, which is nothing but combining the tables. Okay, like always, first of all we need to switch it to our own database. From master database, use my SQL database, which is my own created database. You can also create your own. If you don't know how to create all these database and concepts, then please do watch my videos. Previous videos I gave you all the information regarding to how to create database objects and all. So Control E for execution, Control R. See, it got changed to from master to MySQL DB. Okay, now I already have a table called employee data. Let's see what kind of data it has. By using order by salary, I'm just ordering the salary in ascending order because I didn't mention anything, so it will obviously take ascending order. Or if you want to descending order, you need to mention DESC keyword. Okay, let's check. Okay, salaries in ascending order in order to give me a proper idea. So we have serial name, as name is employee name and employee ID, job and which company, and salary. Okay, fine. Now suppose I have two tables. Just imagine this employee data as another table with a different condition, because in SQL every query will result a kind of table. Okay, so if I execute these two queries, what will happen? What is my second query? I'm just select a star. I'm taking all the columns from this employee table. And what is second query? In second query, I'm taking all the columns from table, but depending on condition, where the salary is greater than or equal to 7,500. Okay, so what will happen if I execute these two? These are two different tables, right? In first table, I have all the information, entire information, all 9 employees information. But in second, I got information where salaries are greater than or equal to 7,500 only. Okay. Now, if you see, my both queries will have the table structure. Having the same schema. Okay. I got same number of columns here and here as well. I got 6 columns here from my first query, and I got the same information from the second query, but the different data. Okay, that is the only change. And while giving the query as well, this is in the same order. Okay, you don't need to forget the order. If you have serial number here in the second query as well, you have to have a serial number. Okay, suppose if you give like this, what will happen? Okay, let's check that one, because I already mentioned you should have same data types for the tables in a order. Same order data types. Okay, what will happen if you don't do that? Then we'll see. Okay, we'll see while using union operator. Okay, all those stuff. Yeah, here we will see what if we don't use. Here we will see what if we don't use same order. We'll see that. Okay, so first of all, I got two tables. My two tables have in this first table I have complete information, and this second table I have 7, 9 only. Okay, if you apply union operator, then what will happen? Union operator will combine the rows between the two tables, but if it is found the duplication required, then it will prevent that duplication. Okay, it will take only one set of duplication. If you see here, union will prevent the duplication of rows. If I execute using union here, then see I got only 1, 7, 9 in my table. It is already combined two tables, but it took only 7, 9 only one time, because union, the functionality of union set operator will take always only single set of records if in case of duplication. Okay, let's see what if we have we will see this case as well, and then we will cover up this case. Okay, so what we got here control E. Yeah, I got here what I got here. Okay, in my first query, select star from employee data where salary is less than or equal to 7,500. Okay, and in my second query, I got the employee data where salary is greater than or equal to 7,500. Okay, with this, one thing is confirmed, that there is no matching data between these two, because here we have different serial numbers and here we have different serial numbers. Now if you apply union operator in between these tables, then obviously it will add these two rows to this one, because there is no duplication, right? If you have duplication like a previous query that we executed, then it will prevent the duplication and take only one set of records. Okay, let's see what happens if we operate like that. See, it just append these two queries as well. Okay, that is the use of union. And now let's see, what if we don't use same order. Okay, suppose if I take here serial number and S name and salary. Okay, but here in this case I want to take S name first and serial number second and then salary third. What will happen if I use union operator? Because I took in a different order. Of course I took serial number, S name, salary, 3 columns. Here also I took 3 columns, but it doesn't mean that I have to I have already have the same schema in both tables, so I can use union. No, you cannot, because you missed the order here. Here in first query you took serial number, name and salary, but here you took S name, number and salary. Obviously there is a mismatch between the data types, because it is going to combine the rows. How can it combines the serial number with S name? How can it combines the serial number with the serial number, name with the serial number? Okay, so let's execute this query. Control E. See, conversion failed when converting varchar value to data type. So that is the reason why you cannot use this kind of querying model. Okay, so hope you clear about union. Now let's see what will happen with the union all. Same like union, it will also combines the data between the two tables, but it will not prevent the duplication. If you have any duplicate rows, then obviously it will take and show you the duplicate rows as well. Okay, let's see this query as a 2 different tables. I have 7-9 here and 7-9 here as well. I just want to combine these 2 tables. If I use union, then obviously it will take only one time 7-9, because it will not take duplication. But if I use union all, obviously it will take 7-9 as well into this table. It will combine the 2 tables for sure, but it will not prevent the duplication. If you want to see, then you can see here. See, same query, I just used union all rather than union. Okay, Control E. See, I got 7-9 here as well, and straight away I got append the 2 rows to the above table, just like that. It will not taking care of whether preventing duplication and all. Okay, that is the use of union all. Or I can simply give you faster comparison as well with the union. Okay, let's execute these 2 queries together and we'll see what kind of information you can understand. See, so with the first query it will avoid the duplication, right? It got only 179, but if you see the second table where I have used union all, it just got 7-9 append with the 7-9 2 times, means it will not prevent the duplication. Okay, that is the point you should get with union all, right? And the third one is intersect. What intersect will do? Intersect is another set operator which is also performs the combining rows between the tables, but as the name suggests, intersect means where we got a matching data, it will give you that result only. So in order to use intersect as a set operator between the tables, you need to have a combined rows, combination rows. I mean, if you see this query, I have 7-9 here and I have 7-9 here as well. Okay, means there is an intersection point between these two table rows. I got 7-9 7-9 as a combination, right? Combination of rows. Then obviously it will give you that particular result only. Okay, means the rows matches with the 2 tables you will get as a result. Okay, if I say intersect, then you will get only the matched rows. Okay, it will give you the matching rows, because we have 7 9 in 2 tables, so you got that particular result as well. Okay, so that's it from the set operators. So set operators are very useful while we are using combining the data between the 2 tables or n number of tables between them. But what you should need to keep in your mind, the points keep in your mind, or you should have a same schema between the tables that we want to use the set operators, and you should have a same data type in a same order of data types while combining it. And the main functionality of set operators are used to combine the data among the tables. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do practice as well, and I will give you this running script code and along with the SQL documentation as well in the description down below. You can check out there. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I will gonna come up with another set of videos. Stay tuned.